Hello, my little learners. So once again, you are back with your Maths Buddy Mini at your own favorite learning platform, Learn Forward. And we are here with your maths book, Maths Concepts and Skills for Grade 2 by Feather Cap. I'm sure you are enjoying sessions here, learning new things in an interesting way. So what do we have today for you? This is chapter 11 of your book in which we'll be learning about money. I know, all of you know what is money. Why do you need it? Exactly, to buy any stuff. And what is the currency here in India? Rupees, and you have paise also. So, let's get started. Here we have a gear up exercise for you. Rohan went to the market along with his mother to do some winter shopping. The weather is changing. His mother bought a sweater for him and a coat for herself also. She gave the following notes and coins to the shopkeeper. So what do you see here? This is a note of 20 rupees, a 500 rupees note, a 100 rupees note, a 200 rupees note, and then coins of rupees 20 and rupees 10. So can you help Rohan to calculate the amount spent on sweater and coat together? So how much total money is it? Let's see. 500 plus 200 is 700 plus 100 is 800 plus 20 is 820, another 20, 840, another 10 is 850. That's a brilliant calculation from all of you following my instructions. So total money spent on sweater and coat is, this is the symbol for rupees. I hope you remember that. And this is 850 rupees, right? So this is the total amount they have spent. Now addition of money. We'll be learning more about how to add money. Vijay had saved rupees 30. His mother gave him another 13 rupees. So both are rupees, and he wants to know how much money he has now. So he had something, he got more of something. So when you have more of something, that means what do you have to do? Add. So let's add the numbers, write them perfectly at their places. Tens and ones are the places, we know this. Now 30 plus 13 is how much? Let's add from the ones place. This is 3, this is 4. So total money he has now is rupees 43. Perfect. So this is how we add and we write the values also. Now here's an exercise for you. Find the total cost in each case. And before that, just remember one thing. Whenever you are adding money, you can add only rupees to rupees and paise to paise. Okay. So now here, this pizza costs rupees 75 and cherries cost rupees 20. So how much is the total amount? 75 plus 20 you will add and find out. Let's do it. 5, 9. So this is rupees 95. Similarly, you'll be finding the total amount in other two cases. Now find the total amount of money in each case. So here you see some notes and coins. Let's see, 500 plus 100 is 600 plus 20 is how much? 620. So we'll make sure to write rupees before it and you get 620. Here also the sum is done, but then because this is a value amount, you should write here rupees 95. Right? Now, going ahead, let's think. Whenever you go to the market or shop with your parents, make a list of things that you buy and the total money you spend. So that way you will be practicing to adding the bill and making the total amount. Color the fruits and vegetables in each set whose sum adds to 50. So here's a list of different fruits and vegetables. In each set, you have to pick the fruits and vegetables that will add up to 50 rupees. So here, carrots is 20. With carrots, what can you take to make it 50 rupees? Yes, you can take an apple. Or with carrots, you can take peas 10 rupees. And what else? With carrot, you can take peas 10 rupees. So 20 plus 10 is 30 and 30 plus another 20 is 50. So we can take cherries also. So like this, you can make different groups. Now here, 40 for onion and 10 for this guava. So you can color 40 and 10. What else is the other way, children? Let's see, if you take bananas of 20 rupees, so you have bananas of 20 rupees. You can take guava of 10 rupees. So 20 plus 10 is 30. Another 20 for these grapes. So you get 50. So you make your own choice. You have 50 rupees. You have to buy fruits and vegetables. What do you want to buy? And for that, you will be making two different groups of your choice. The sum should be 50. That is for you to remember. Now, next is subtraction of money. Just like we add money, we subtract also when you have less of something. Like Ankur saved rupees 57 of his pocket money. He spent rupees 36 on some snacks. He wants to know how much money he has left. So for left, what do we do? Subtraction. That means 57 minus 36, which gives you 21. And we'll say subtract 36 from 57. So you write it as rupees 57 minus rupees 36 is equal to rupees 21. Right? This is your answer. Now, here's an exercise for you. You have rupees 65 and you buy the following things. Find the change you get back in each case. So, out of rupees 65, if you buy this cupcake, what do you get? It is for 25. How much money will you get? 65 minus 25. Quickly find out how much do you get. Yes, you are right there. You get rupees 40. Perfect. So here you get rupees 40. Similarly, find out for the other items. In each case, how much money is left. 65 minus 14. Then 65 minus 32 and 65 minus 43, like this. Next, Rahim and his friends went to a fair and bought the following items. Find the change each child gets from the shopkeeper. Now, this toy car is for how much money? This is for rupees 82. And how much money is with the child? 50 plus 20, 70 plus 10, 80 plus 10, 90. So, if you give 90 rupees to the shopkeeper, so this is 10 cent ones, you give 90 rupees and you buy the toy car for just 82 rupees. How much is left? Subtract. Yes, 10 minus 2 is 8 and 8 minus 8 is 0. So, he gets back rupees 8. So, this is how you have to do for these two parts only, and always do that when you go shopping, you buy something. You must know how much money will you get back from the shopkeeper if you give more. Now, here are hots for you. Kanika, Aditi and Ashima went to buy some donuts. Kanika had rupees 50, Aditi had rupees 60 and Ashima had rupees 45. The cost of one donut is rupees 50. Who will be able to buy the donut? Can Aditi? Can Kanika buy? She has only 50 rupees. Yes, because it is for 50 she can buy. Can Aditi buy? Yes, because she has more than 50. And Ashima? Exactly, she cannot because she has less than 50. That is perfect. Do you think Ashima will be able to buy a donut? Yes, Ashima cannot buy the donut. Why? Because she has less money than 50. Can Kanika or Aditi help Ashima to buy a donut? When can they help? They have to buy for their own. If there will be some money left with them only, then they can buy, they can help the third girl. So, Kanika had 50 rupees. The cost of donut is 50. So, will she be left with anything to help the third girl? No. So, she cannot help. But what about Aditi? Aditi has 60 rupees. So, when she buys the donut for 50 rupees, will she be left with anything? How much? Exactly, she'll be left with 10 rupees. So, do you think with this 10 rupees, she'll be able to help Ashima who has just 45 rupees? Okay, let's check. How much more money does Ashima need to get the donut? She has 45. She needed 50. How much more is needed? Just 5 rupees. So Aditi can definitely help her by giving some money. And do you think it is good to help friends like that? Definitely. But then it would be good on Ashima's part to return that money to her. Okay, it's good to help, but then we should also do justice. We should also be kind by returning that amount to the friend. Now, chapter at a glance, the symbol used for rupees is this, and for paise we write P. Addition and subtraction of money is similar to just the other addition and subtraction we have been doing. With the difference, you will always mention the rupees or paise with it. Unit should also be mentioned. Now, my Olympiad test prep, Manisha has rupees 98. She purchased the following items. How much money is left with her after shopping? So, she bought a necklace for 49 and a bangle bracelet for 20. So, how much money is spent? 49 plus 20 is 69. Perfect. And how much money was there with her? 98. So, how much is left? 98 minus 69. So, this is borrowing and you are left with rupees 29 and this is your correct answer. Another question, Rohit spends rupees 250 to buy two of the following items. Which two things did he buy? So, he has spent exactly 250 rupees. This is just 5 rupees. This is 200. This is just 100. This is 150 and the toy car is for rupees 50. So, which two items do you think Rohit will spend on? Even doll and shirt will cost 250, but will he buy toy car and bike or the girl's item? The boy's item. So, he'll spend on toy, bike and the toy car. So, this is toy car and bike is not given. Okay, that means he spent on doll and shirt. So, he would have definitely bought one shirt for himself and the doll for his sister. Miscellaneous exercise. Take the correct option. Which of these is the correct change for rupees 20? 2 notes of 10? 3 coins of 2? No. 5 coins of 5? No. 2 notes of 20? No. So, what is the only option? Yes. Next, rupee 1 plus rupees 10 plus rupees 100 is how much? Exactly rupees 111. Good. How many coins of rupees 10 will make rupees 100? That is 10 coins of rupees 10 will make rupees 100. Now, Anu gives 255 rupees to buy a purse. How much money does she give? It is rupees 255. Next, Adil goes to a stationery shop and buys a pen and pencil box. The cost of pencil box is rupees 35 and pen is 20, more than the pencil box. So, pen is that costly, children. So, what do you think? How much is the cost of pen? 35 plus 20, which is 55 rupees. How much did he spend in all? So, he spent 35 and 55, which gives you 90 rupees. 35 plus 55 is 90. So, this is the amount he spent. Now, subjective type questions for you. Nancy has rupees 100. She wants to buy a packet of bread that costs rupees 35. So, how much change will she get back? Yes, subtract. So, 100 minus rupees 35, you will write carefully at their proper places. So, this becomes 0, this becomes 10, it gives to this, it is 9 and this one is 10. 10 minus 5 is 5, 9 minus 3 is 6 and here it is a 0. So, Nancy is left with rupees 65. Don't say 065 because 0 in the beginning has no value. Next, Rohan went to watch a movie at the ticket counter. He gave a note of rupees 200 and the price of the ticket was rupees 150. The ticket counter guy returned 2 notes and 2 coins to him. How much money was to be returned? He gave 200. The ticket was of rupees 150. So how much money do you think he should get back? Yes, this is 200 minus 150. He should get back rupees 50. Now for this rupees 50, he has 2 notes and 2 coins. So find the value of these notes and coins. So coins are of 5 rupees, 10 rupees and 20 rupees. Out of this, do you think he can have 2 coins of 10 rupees? If you have 2 coins of 10 rupees, then 30 rupees cannot be divided equally, right? So can he have 2 coins of 20 rupees? If he has 2 coins of 20 rupees, that means 40 rupees. And how will he get back 10 rupees? As 2 notes of 5 rupees. Okay. The other option is, because notes of 5 are least available, now we prefer taking coins of 5. So the other option is, we will have 2 notes of 20 rupees. So 2 notes at the rate of 20, and now this is 40 rupees. Another 10 rupees in 2 coins will be 5 rupees coins. So 2 coins at the rate of rupees 5, and he gets back 50 rupees. Next, Maya had rupees 200, Sumi had rupees 300. Maya spent rupees 100 out of rupees 200. Sumi spent rupees 250 out of rupees 300. Who had more money left? Now, how much money is left with Maya? 100 rupees. Good. What have you done to get this 100? Subtracted. Yes. And Sumi spent 250 out of 300. So, how much is left? Just 50 rupees. So, can you tell now who had more money left? Yes, Maya has more money left now because she spent wisely. She spent less, so now she is left with more money. Two friends go to a fun fair that has come to their city. So, do you also like going to the fun fairs? Lots of fun there. I can see your smiling faces. So, trying to recall and recollect. When are you going next? Okay. Now, Sarah has rupees 60. After paying for a ride, she has rupees 25 left. Did she spend rupees 30 on the ride? How much money was there? 60. So, she is left with 25 rupees. What do you think? How much did she spend? What will you do? See, this is, she had 60 rupees and now she is left with 25. So, how much money did she spend on the ride? So, can you see what will be done? Out of this, you know this much. Remaining you want to find out. So, for remaining, what do you do? Subtract. So, 60 minus 25, is it 30? No. That means it does not cost 30. Lucky has rupees 20. He needs to borrow rupees 15 more for his ride. He want more. So, how much does this ride cost? He already has 20. He wants 15 more. So, what will you do? Add, exactly. So, here you will be doing rupees 20 plus rupees 15. That is equal to rupees 35. Now, here's a project for you. Create your own pizza. You need to buy the following stuff for it. You have only rupees 140 with you. Draw and color the pizza on a chart paper. So, you need a pizza base, that is for rupees 40. You need some vegetables. You have cheese for 30 rupees. Then you have the sauce for 10 rupees. You have this for 10 rupees. So, the cost of vegetables is also mentioned here. Total money you have is just rupees 140. So, be wise in selecting what items you will be using as topping over your pizza and make your own pizza on the chart. Now, here's a lab activity for you to explore money more with your teacher and your friends again in your maths lab. So, have fun doing this activity and get more exposure to money. I hope you enjoyed learning more about money today, how to add and subtract, and you will definitely love to go shopping with your moms now. So, we'll be coming up with more interesting sessions for you in maths. Till then, Happy learning, children.